foxes and wolves. Most of the time, foxes don't dig burrows themselves. They selfishly take over the burrows of raccoons or badgers and use them as their own nests. Then they mate and give birth to their babies in the stolen nests. Kids open their eyes and drink milk from their mothers when they are about 10 days old. They start to eat the food that their mothers bring for them once they are about a month old. Oh, be careful, my darlings. Kids frequently follow their mothers out of their burrows. When they grow as big as their mothers around summertime, they get ready to go their separate ways. Arctic foxes live in the Arctic, where it is freezing cold.
I won't stand out if I stand here on the snow.
The color of the fur of Arctic foxes is snow white during winter, when it snows a lot. However, the fur color turns brown during the summer. Desert foxes live in deserts where the sun bakes the earth. They have very large ears, so they are able to release a lot of body heat. As a result, they are able to withstand the heat of the deserts. Wolves look a lot like dogs, but their bodies seem a bit sluggish. Unlike dogs, they always have their tails hanging downward. Wolves usually have yellowish-brown fur that appears grayish or blackish. However, their fur colors vary slightly depending on where they live. Wolves usually live with their own families. However, they live in large groups or packs during the winter, when it's hard to find food. Wolves sometimes fight with wolves from other packs in order to protect their own packs. A wolf becomes the new leader by defeating the leader of its pack. Young wolves challenge the leader from time to time. However, they sometimes get kicked out from their packs when they lose. Wolves can smell things very well. When the wolves pick up the scent of prey, they follow the trail of that scent to hunt it down. Even if the prey runs far away, the wolves are able to follow the prey's scent all the way until they find the prey.
Look, there's a rabbit over there.
A wolf spots a prey and sneaks up on it quietly before pouncing on it. It bites down on the prey with its sharp teeth and strong jaws and never lets go of it.
Oh! Ow, 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 ow. Oh!
A pack of wolves stands on top of a rock and start howling up at the moon in the dead of the night. Wolves do this to let the others know where their territories are. They also mark their territories by urinating. Wolves sometimes work together and fight big and strong animals too. Even large animals, like bears or tigers, don't stand a chance when wolves surround them and come at them from all directions. Like foxes, wolves give birth to pups between the cracks in the rocks or the burrows during spring. If their nests become threatened, mother wolves bite down gently on their pups' necks and carry them to safety. By the time wolf pups are about 5 or 6 months old, they have grown a lot. It is around this time that they start following their mother's packs around to learn how to hunt.